We're here with Charlotte Beatty, and she's made some Play-Doh for us today, and she's going to explain what she's made for us. So what do you have here, Charlotte?
Butterflies, popsicles.
Butterfly popsicles?
There's one for each of my family.
Okay, which one's for who?
One for my dad.
Which one?
So pick one, take one.
I'll take this one.
Okay, so this one is done.
So which one's mommy's?
This one is mom's.
And Grayson?
This is Grayson's.
And Bean?
And this beans.
And Charlotte's.
And this beans.
And what color are the butterflies?
Blue.
And?
Red.
Red. Thank you, Charlotte, for Play-Doh with Charlotte. We're signing off. Say bye-bye.